Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArkLaTexHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. The latest on Hurricane Sally as of the 4 a.m. advisory here, winds at 85 miles per hour, so it's become a little less organized at this point, so this has changed the overall forecast from the National Hurricane Center. At this point, we can say this will have no impact on the ArkLaTex, so we'll just pick up a little bit of a breeze today. That's just about it. I really don't expect we'll see much, if any, rain with this system as it is now moving to the north, and we'll turn off to the northeast, so that will take it away from us. And you can see the Hurricane Center forecast track has knocked that back down to a Category 1 hurricane at landfall. And that landfall likely occurring tonight, maybe early tomorrow morning between Gulfport and Mobile. So you can see it will just basically rain out over the coastline here for the next day or two. So we do have the expectation, and we'll see over a foot of rain in some locations down there, maybe the panhandle of Florida over towards the Mississippi coast. And notice those rainfall amounts have been pushed further to the east today, so it looks like much of Louisiana looking at an inch or less of rain, with the exception of maybe some locations in and around the New Orleans area, which will still have to deal with some storm surge. So that will be the concern for those folks, but for us, we will not see any impacts from this. Instead, we'll have a pretty warm Tuesday, but we do have some cooler temperatures in store later this week. Currently, we do have most of us in the low 70s, so that's where we'll start out at sunrise, and still have a northeast breeze today, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. There's a lot of sinking air around these tropical systems, as we've been mentioning, so pretty quiet day for us in the ArkLaTex. Should have a warm afternoon, upper 80s and low 90s, actually pretty close to the numbers that we experienced yesterday. You'll wake up to some cloud cover again this morning, but we should see a little more sun pop through late this morning and through the afternoon hours. So here's a look at your Robin's Toyota Futurecast. It does show just a stray kind of isolated shower maybe popping up across East Texas, and then late today you can see some of the very outer bands bringing some rain over towards the Monroe area. I don't expect much of that. We'll move into Louisiana and Arkansas today, so I think it will be a dry Tuesday for most of us. We'll see a little bit of an uptick in the rain Wednesday, as we do have our next cold front beginning to approach the region Wednesday into Thursday, so slightly higher rain chances through the middle of the week, and this will be the front that does bring us some enjoyable weather conditions Friday through the weekend. We'll start to feel the humidity drop Friday, but especially this weekend, you'll step outside and it will just feel wonderful out there. Both Saturday and Sundays will have lower temperatures, much lower humidity, so the weekend is looking absolutely perfect for us. Should have overnight lows dropping off as well. A couple more nights in the 70s, and then eventually we'll see those overnight lows. Some areas of the northern ArkLaTex, maybe the upper 50s Friday night into Saturday morning, and then maybe then again Saturday night into Sunday morning as well.